All right, so on number one, what's going to happen is we're trying to get y by itself. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to move this 3x to the other side. And so this gives us 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. We still want y by itself, so we're going to divide by 4 on both sides. And that's going to give me y equals negative 3/4 x plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. Looking at number 2. So again, we're still trying to get y by itself, so we're going to divide everything by this negative 5. So when we do that, we get y equals negative 9/5 x, and 35 divided by negative 5 is negative 7. On number 3, then we're trying to get y by itself, so we're going to add 6 to both sides, and that's going to give me 2y equals negative 6x plus 6. We're going to divide by 2 on both sides, and so y is going to equal negative 3x plus 3. All right, number 4. On number 4, we've got negative 11x minus 7y equals negative 56. We're going to add 11x to both sides, and that's going to give me negative 7y equals 11x minus 56. We're going to divide by negative 7 on both sides, and so y is going to equal negative 11/7 x plus 8, because negative 56 divided by negative 7 is positive 8. So on number 5, what you're going to do is we've got 5/3 y equals negative x minus 5. So in order to get rid of this 5/3, you're going to multiply by 3/5. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal on both sides. Okay, so this is going to give me negative 3/5 x. And if I multiply 3/5 times that negative 5, that's going to give me positive 3, because 5 times 3/5 is going to give me 3. And that's it. Number 6. We're going to divide by negative 2 first. And that's going to give me 2x plus y equals negative 14. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. And so y is going to equal negative 2x minus 14. Number 7. We're going to add this 14x to the other side. So we're going to have y equals 14x plus 7. And 8 is a little tricky. So on 8, we've got 12y equals 8x minus 48 divided by 3. We want to get y by itself, so we're going to divide by 12. So we're going to get keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the top fraction, change the division line here, and then flip the bottom fraction. All right, so then we're going to multiply straight across. So when we multiply straight across, we're going to get 8x minus 48 over 3 times 12, which is going to give me that 36. Now you could simplify that fraction. You could take out the greatest common denominator or greatest common factor, which would probably be 4. Okay. But depending on how your answer choice is written, it could be that way, it could not. Okay. So it could be written out as that. Okay. All right, so hopefully that was pretty easy. If it wasn't, then I would be doing some work